What's up, everybody? Matt Maran here, and this is the all-new 2019 Toyota Avalon that was revealed at the Detroit Auto Show this year. And as you can see, it's a very aggressive front bumper there, trying to give it more of a Lexus look, and also continue with that very bold styling they started with the new Camry. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts on how it looks in the comments below. But I do think the back end certainly looks better than the front. That whole new taillight arrangement is really nice. This one is the XSE with the blacked out badging, which is interesting. I'm not sure how many people want a super sporty and aggressive Avalon. Most people I think just appreciate their comfort and space over the Camry. But anyway, going on, speaking of that space there on the inside, it's pretty nice. Got some really upmarket finishes in it. Make it feel like a Lexus. It really does. So yeah, otherwise just all the same great stuff that you see with these new Toyotas. Wasn't able to get a good look at the gauges because they weren't lit up there. But that infotainment screen is 9 inches now. And the big news is it finally has Apple CarPlay. The one model Toyota's slowly giving in on the Apple CarPlay, love that everyone has, and then incorporating that also as Amazon Alexa. I like this new center stack design, which gives you, more storage space down there in the bottom. And so that's a cool little design treatment there. Anyway, this new Avalon is lower than the previous one. It's also a little bit wider. And you can see it has those new sequential turn signals, both in the front and in the rear, which is a really cool feature and I think looks really, really good. As far as powertrains go for the Avalon, you can either get with a 3.5 liter V6 still. They said it's more powerful and more fuel efficient, but they didn't give any exact numbers, so I guess those are coming at a later date. And then there's also the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder paired with the hybrid powertrain, which I think is similar to the one in the outgoing Avalon as well, which already offered that. But anyway, yeah, there's those taillights, which are really cool looking, and overall, I really love the back end of the Avalon, especially. But anyway, let me know your thoughts on the Avalon in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.